Ever wondered how skincare brands make product recommendations feel so personal? Here's how. Murad does it with the help of an interactive skincare regimen quiz. Instead of asking shoppers to browse through dozens of products on their own, Murad guides them through a series of simple questions about their skin concerns. Based on their answers, the quiz recommends a personalized skincare regimen tailored to their needs. This creates a more supportive shopping experience, makes customers feel understood, and helps them discover products with confidence. Now let's break down how you can recreate a similar skincare quiz experience using Outgrow. Start by logging into your Outgrow dashboard and clicking Outcome Quiz. Next, browse the template library and select a skincare or product recommendation template, or you can simply start from scratch for full customization. Once inside the builder, you can see the added questions, such as what is your skin type? What do you need the lotion for? Do you have any special requirements? How does your skin feel after washing your face? And more. To make the experience more interactive, you can add image-based answer choices, helping users visually connect with the quiz, while making the experience feel more premium and engaging. Now let's move to the results section. This is where the magic happens. Based on the user's responses, you can assign personalized outcomes to them. It showcases recommended products and curated bundles, turning your quiz into a smart digital skincare advisor. You can also add a CTA button like Learn More or Shop My Routine that directs users straight to your product or landing page, making the buying process seamless. Next comes lead generation. Before showing the results, you can add an optional lead form asking for the user's email. This allows you to capture high-intent leads while delivering value up front. To ensure your quiz matches your brand identity, head over to the Overall Design tab. Here, you can customize the logo, brand colors, fonts, and alignment. Once everything is ready, click Go Live. You can then share it directly via link, embed the quiz on your website, add it to landing pages, or include it in email campaigns. And just like that, you've created a personalized skincare quiz inspired by Murad using Outgrow. That's how easy it is to turn a skincare consultation into an engaging, lead-generating shopping experience. Want to build your own skincare or beauty quiz? Start your 7-day free trial with Outgrow and create beautiful, personalized quiz experiences that engage visitors and drive conversions. No coding required.